Hey guys, Pitcher Contraptions, and welcome back to our dirt jumper build. Now, I have some test footage for you, and it's not as much as I would like, but when I was off camera, I actually sprained my right wrist going over the handlebars on this bike. However, I did get some footage, so here it is in the preliminary stages. I'm not going to be doing any crazy stuff on the bike as of yet, the frame is not fully welded. But, here we go. So, hope you enjoyed the test footage I was able to get. Here are some things to note that I did before the test footage. I obviously replaced the front and rear tires with these white wall tires I just happened to have lying around, and they're completely different axles, everything like that, so they were able to go right on the bike. I also was able to salvage the pedals and put some new bearings in, so they were able to work. I also found this fantastic set of motorcycle handlebars. However, they are slightly bent, so I'm going to have to unbend them in our next film, and then I'm going to reinforce the rest of the frame, and we'll try doing some stunts on this bike. Also, I hope to have very soon a set of front forks for this, which will have suspension. So, that's all in the future of this dirt jumper build. Hope you enjoyed the video. For more like it, please subscribe to my channel. I do tons of different types of videos, including juggernaut armor, cardboard boat builds, and many off-road adventure builds, like this one of my dirt. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out to the latest build.